holidays, for the next few days you are going to be preparing for Christmas with me. So we're just going to be getting in the Christmas spirit. To be honest with you guys, I feel like I've never really done Christmas. So what I mean by never really doing Christmas is I feel like I don't have unique traditions of my own with my family that we do outside of opening gifts and going to church. I just feel like we kind of do the bare minimum. This isn't necessarily bad or unexpected since my parents are immigrants from China. So Christmas was never really like a part of their culture, but I feel like because it wasn't, not a ton of Christmas traditions have been passed down to me. But I want to change that this year. I just want to get in the holiday spirit. The first thing to do on our agenda is to watch Christmas movies. Here's what I actually really care about getting into the Christmas spirit is because I'm a Christ follower and I do genuinely want to honor Jesus' birth, and I just feel like I've just been doing the bare minimum for Christmas, you know? I could be adding more weight to it, which I don't know if watching Christmas movies is really gonna help me with that, but we'll see. I will also be doing some like Bible studies about Christmas as well to just help me understand a little bit more of the significance of it. But I'll also be doing some classic capitalism Christmas stuff. So recently I've been really into language learning, so I want to watch some Christmas movies in different languages because I think it'd be really cool to learn what Christmas is like in some Latin American countries instead of just learning it from the Americans' perspective. So I think I'm gonna watch a Brazilian Christmas movie because right now Portuguese is one of the languages I'm learning. I'm learning Portuguese, Spanish, and Mandarin. So I'm sure that there are some like movies on Netflix that are about Christmas in Portuguese, but I don't know if those are like the most authentic sources to be watching. I want to watch like the classic Brazilian Christmas movies, so I'm gonna search that up in Portuguese so I can find that. Filmes brasileiros. Okay, it seems like Just Another Christmas is actually pretty popular. I'm gonna also check YouTube. I found it. Oh no. Bro, there's literally a Brazilian Christmas romance movie, but it's not coming out until a little bit. Okay, a lot of these movies that are in Portuguese seem to be just like dubbed, that like are American. So I want to watch an actual Brazilian one. Okay, I'm gonna watch the movie Just Another Christmas, which in Portuguese it's called Tudo Bem no Natal que Vem. Let's just start watching it. I'm going to note down the new vocabulary I learned because I just started learning Portuguese maybe like 3 months ago. I will tell you guys why I'm so passionate about language learning and why I chose to study Portuguese, Brazilian Portuguese, after I watch this movie. So just stay tuned to hear about that. Stuck in a time loop where it's forever Christmas, a family man who hates the holiday starts to learn valuable lessons about what's important in life. Let's play.
Um pouquinho que eu tô cansado.
Mãe, eu não quero uma boneca.
O filme é muito interessante. Eu gosto. Good morning, guys, or good afternoon. Honestly, I just got out of school early because today was Spirit Day, the day before Thanksgiving, so we got off early. And yes, I am preparing for Christmas before Thanksgiving. I feel like I don't really need to explain myself. Anyways, my brother and I are going to go to the grocery store to get some Christmas cookies. Christmas cookies mix, gingerbread cookie mix, all that good stuff. And I'm also going to be going to a local coffee shop because my head is kind of pounding a little bit. Right now I am in a subtle caffeine reliance phase where I don't actually drink caffeine every day, but then some days I'm like, oh, I feel like caffeine would help with this headache that I'm having. But like, it's not like a day. I'm just not even trying to justify it. But anyways, guys, I can actually drive now. So right now I'm sitting in the passenger seat because I have a permit. I need someone that's at least 21 to sit in the passenger seat with me, and my brother is 19. So I'm gonna try to not break the laws. I know like some people are more casual with it, but I feel like I'm not even a good enough driver. I feel like if I got pulled over, like I just don't want to deal with any delays in getting my license. But in the most non-dorky way possible, it is really fun and I feel really cool when I drive. So the temptation is here, guys. The temptation is here. So I was talking to my friend last week and she asked me, when is it too early to listen to Christmas music? And I was like, oh, it's whatever you want. But I told her, I low-key don't listen to Christmas music, but I want to get into it. So we're gonna play some Christmas. Do you like Christmas music?
Yeah.
Can you send me your playlist? It's not that I don't like Christmas music, it's just I would never like willingly play it over something else. But I kind of regret that. So I came here specifically for holiday baked goods, and they literally don't like, oh well, they have sugar cookie mix, so I guess I'm gonna get that. And then just, I think the frosting is where it's gonna be like Christmas. Here's what I'm thinking. So sugar cookies, white icing, and then writing gel, and then decorating icing in green, and decorating icing in red. Or should I just get writing gel? I'm thinking writing gel. Okay, I think this is enough. a men's grocery haul. I drove us to the gym. I'm going to get in a very practical, functional workout today with some weights and also cardio. I'm really excited. Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. It's actually Thanksgiving Day, the day that I'm filming this, but yeah, I'm in Christmas pajamas. But we have a Thanksgiving party with some family friends, so I'm gonna make some pumpkin bread mix for that. And then after making the pumpkin bread, I'm gonna make the Christmas sugar cookies. Michael's gonna send the cookies I made to our neighbors. I haven't always been into language learning. I think my language learning obsession started early fall, late summer. This summer I went to the Dominican Republic on a missions trip, and before I went, honestly, I didn't feel that much of a pressure to learn Spanish. I didn't really expend any effort or energy to learn Spanish before I went, which honestly I regret and I am embarrassed about, because I really do wish that going on a missions trip I had that mindset and I took more ownership over that. But when I was in the Dominican Republic, I had a lot of people that could help me with Spanish and translate, but overall I kind of just felt a little bit helpless in terms of interacting with people. Then I started studying some more Spanish. I took Spanish classes in middle school, but later on I transitioned to Mandarin because I just felt like learning Mandarin in school would better suit my goals at that time. My language learning journey really started from me wanting to be able to share the gospel in a different language and to truly just express my testimony and everything. So Brazil is actually playing against Serbia. I started learning Portuguese because, I don't know, I like the idea of just opening yourself up to a lot of cultures, like being able to speak Mandarin in different languages, and it opens up a lot more opportunities. But honestly, I just wanted to challenge myself with Portuguese. Growing up, my friend Gabriella, and she's been in a lot of my videos, she's amazing. She is Brazilian, so I remember in elementary school and early middle school just being exposed to a lot of the Brazilian culture, but I think that at that time I was more naive and I didn't really try to understand it and piece things together necessarily. But that's what has gotten me so interested in language learning and what's keeping me motivated right now. Also, update on the Brazilian Christmas movie I watched. It was really good. It was called Just Another Christmas, I think. But it was so good. I was like almost gonna cry at the end. I really recommend it. Also guys, the cookies that I made are so good. I decorated maybe 10 of them. I'm gonna leave the rest out to decorate maybe tomorrow because I'm just so tired of baking. Oh, it's exhausting. But later today we're going to a family friend's house for Christmas Thanksgiving dinner. It almost feels weird like actually like preparing for Christmas on Thanksgiving. I need to go reflect on what I'm grateful for. I'll talk to you guys after I do that. And then we can start planning for people's Christmas gifts, because I actually do want to enjoy Thanksgiving today and express my gratitude to people. We're heading out to go Christmas tree shopping. I'm having a little early lunch. It looks so ratchet, but it's Greek yogurt with chocolate protein powder mixed in with pretzels. I know this sounds so weird and I thought it was gonna be so bad. I saw it on a college athlete's like TikTok on what they eat every day, but it's actually like has a lot of good nutrients in it and it tastes really good. Don't knock it until you try it. My brother Michael tried it and he said it was really good. Are you gonna make this in college?
It's a little sour.
sour. I'm driving us home and I'm so excited. Driving the minivan. Okay, I'm gonna have one of these apples. I haven't had this since we went apple picking. I feel like once I started to actually eat healthier, you just like start to really crave healthy food. So my family finished putting up the Christmas tree and decorated it. That is all for today's video. I'm going to go to my room and start doing some brainstorming for a Christmas gift shopping. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.